Hi, I'm Cole from CSE team Ruijie. Today I'm going to giving 3 CCTV solution to all of you. Let us have to take a look with the project value chain first, especially for the CCTV SI. This is their daily job. Every time, every day, they are going to repeating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So the first step will be talking about awareness, how we are going to look for the second step, just for the right models, for the scenarios, and even those the customer evaluates to start to give you the PO to purchase the orders. And once they are purchased, even though you are more panicked, you need to do the deployments and installation is not easy from your side for the past way you are going to using other brand before. And even though at the end when you complete all the installation, you are required to do some support and maintenance after you go back. It's not on site anymore. So this is all the daily job, I believe, to all the SIs always keep repeating and repeating and repeating. Let us to take a look with the P-stage pinpoint first, especially for those the SI installer CCTV, right? When the customer saying that, suddenly the customers call the SI saying that I need to buy CCTV and please come to my house and please come to my office to investigate how many of the CCTV you are required. Okay, and even though some of the CCTVs they are also have do some business for the Wi-Fi business, they also require some on-site as well. So from the time to time, we are compared with the traditional way, always we are required to on-site. Okay, once the SI is on site, they also involve the time consuming for them as well. So once the SI reach, you also need to know that how many of the quantity and how to deploy for all the locations. But basically it's based from the experience without giving some proven to the customer as well. And this is need a lot of time after you do the investigate, then you need to come out some documents to giving to the customers, and they are taking a lot of the time, okay, from the PC stage. Somehow for Ruijie, we do have the tools to going to help you in the pre-stage stage, right? And this is the tools we call AI heat map. Okay, this is one of the due to the AI technology to helping you to complete the heat map at the BOM at the same time. Okay, to help you to shorten time your this timing to build all this document to the customer. Even though the reporting to exporting by the AI, right, will be look more professional compare traditional way as well. Let's to take a look with this demo time. How over this AI heat map quickly to generate your heat map and export the BOM to your customer to recognize your professionalism. So let's to take a look with our this demo time for heat map to integrate with the AI features. So what you want to go in, just go to download our this Ruijie Reyee application. They are supported in the Google Play Store, Huawei market, and even though for iOS market as well. Okay, right. So once you download, you go to register. For those the new user, you have an account, you just require to open this Ruijie Reyee applications. So this is our front interface for Ruijie Reyee application. And where is AI heat map? So the AI heat map actually is stored under the product. Okay, so on the bottom part for the second icon, they have one of the icon they are called product. Just click on the product. So this is all the Ruijie product. We do have the switches, router, Wi-Fi, wireless home Wi-Fi, firewall, and so on, etc. Okay, and even though you can be build your own product, it's not belong to Ruijie brand. Right, so what you're able to see here, there's a H brand, T brand here for the camera, even though you can be upload the photo as well for the equipment. So how we are going to add on the customization for the camera brand, right? We just need to go to the add product here and giving the model. Okay, maybe this is the IP cam, we put IP cam, right? And the type of these devices maybe is the camera. You can put your NAS, hard disk, you can be access barrier, and even though for other devices as well. So today we try to have a camera because today workshop is more on the CCTV, and you can be put on this camera. So maybe this pricing for this cost camera is one is 10 ringgit Malaysian, and second you can be put, you want to sell 20 price. Okay, and for the specification about the camera, is most important thing is focus length. Okay, focus length. So what do you mean the important thing is the focus length, right? Because all the whilst we know that the focus length from the camera is always will be the 3.6 mm, 4 mm, and even though 2.8 mm. Today we're trying to put 4 mm here. Okay, so when we put 4 mm, right, so the camera specification we have been done it and save it. Okay, you can see the third customization of the camera has been coming out already in here. And the next what we are going to move in is we try to create a BOM already. So where is the BOM here? We can be see on top here they have a called BOM. BOM is stand for bill of material. So right now we are trying to using the AI features to assist us to build the BOM with the heat map as well. So the AI heat map is here, so we just need to log in the AI heat map. And what kind of the scenario for the customer side? Okay, just now you have been paid with it. Maybe it's an office scenario, and the customer's name maybe is the Jack company. Okay, so we will put the Jack company name for this site survey for this office scenario. And once we click OK, right, the next step that require you to upload the customer floor plan. So you need to ask the customer, do you have any floor plan to provide to us to upload it? Okay, so from here today we are run for the demo. I already prepared one of the sample floor plan here. You just need to create out the sample floor plan and give the floor name. Okay, maybe this is the 5th floor. Okay, 5th floor here. I just put 5th floor for this floor plan. And once I click put the floor plan name and I just click OK, right, you can see the floor plan have been uploaded succeeded. Okay, and the next what we want to do is we need to give the scale about this floor plan, how big about this environment. So let's say today's we give is about 400 meter per square feet. Okay, even though you can be by the length, calculate by yourself. And the wall recognition, the most important thing, the first AI kick in is the wall recognition. They will help you to recognize the wall and help you to draw the wall. Let's take a look. Okay, AI is starting to show you scan the floor plan. Okay, the AI is starting to scan the floor plan. So what you're able to see that the wall has been helped you to draw properly based on the AI. Okay, this is a red color line. The AI already helped you to draw out the wall. You don't need to manually compare with the traditional. You need to draw by yourself. And once you wall has been recognition has been helped you to draw it, so we just need to put the product. Okay, let's say the product we can put the Wi-Fi switches, everything. But just now we are more focused for camera, right? Are you still remember the camera we have created? I try to put maybe it's a 2 camera here. So what you're able to see here, we can be adjust the camera view and where is the place we are required to put the camera as well. Maybe this is the room I need to put camera. Okay, you can be drag and drop, okay, for the location you needed. And even though you can be see some camera heat map, okay, from top of the right hand side here. Okay, when you click on this, you can be see the camera, which is the area they're able to cover for that. And even though you can be play around with the what we say the angle, okay, maybe for this 4 mm focus length, or for this camera, there this coverage area maybe can be looked from here to here only. That's all. Okay, even though you can be adjust the camera the degree, okay, up down. So how many of this camera up down you require to do that. Okay, and even though for the next the customer saying that yeah, you're doing the CCTV, do you do Wi-Fi business? Yeah, even though maybe you are the first time to doing the Wi-Fi business, you don't know how to plan to put the Wi-Fi. We also have one of the AI features we call auto AP placement. So this auto AP placement, right, will be automatic to help you to quick placement. Okay, based from this AI, they were going to study entire of the floor plan again. You can see they are scan the floor plan, and they are trying to place all the AP routing for this heat map. Okay, they are starting to place testing for all the site. After they are testing, right, you can see they are scanning. Okay, the AP they are trying to locate a lot of the place. Then this is the best result after the AI testing. So they will recommend what is the standard quite family, a lot of people using model. Okay, maybe it is IP2200E. Even though you are saying that this model is not the model I want to change model, can or not? Yes, you can be edit the model by this edit button as well. But today we are using the AI. You don't need to suffer to ourselves. We just using the best by the AI choosing. Okay, RIP2200E. So it's a 5 unit required for this entire of the floor plan. So one, you just apply the BOM. So they was telling that, are you confirmed to apply the BOM? Yes. the AP already placed in, okay, for all these locations. Okay, even though they are saying that I need to have a switches, so you still able to go to app product here. Okay, I need able to select some of the switches with the PoE. Okay, because I have a 5 AP, right? I need to have a switches supplying 5 AP. Okay, I will select this 24 port to giving the for this environment. Maybe the customer also need to have a router, so I can be select some of the router model and add in one of the documents to the customer as well. So you can see the router itself. Maybe they can be put. This is the server room. Okay, we are trying to put in the server room, and the PoE switch also put in the same server room as well. This is something we are trying to do the best effort to simplify your this life. Okay, for this solution. And even though we do have some what we say extra things, like once you've done everything right, so you just need to export the document. Okay, the document will be listed out all the model. Okay, what is the models, how many of the quantity, right? And with the topology as well. Okay, what you're able to see, this is a high level of the topology of connections. And with the placement for PAM, okay, for these equipments, okay, what is the equipment, and then what is the Wi-Fi for the 2.4G, 5G coverage, and CCTV coverage area as well. Right? Once you complete, you just need to click on the export. That can be exported to the Excel, PDF, Word file immediately. So let's say today I'm going to try to PDF. So I just generating for the PDF. Wow, we can be save it, we can be WhatsApp immediately to the customer. That's all for my this demo AI heat map and boom. So basically just now what you're able to see that, right, our this AI heat map, the task and the step is not too much. Okay, it's easy to carry for everyone's, okay, especially for those the new partner or our this old partner as well. Just what the step you have been experienced just now, we go through one by one, right? We have been done about 16 steps only. So as a one of the summary, right, what you're able to see here, the project right now, we can be do the site survey using the phone, okay, as you are on site. So we compare with the traditional way, right? What you're able to see here from the traditional way, last time we need to design based from our personal experience. Okay, nobody knows within this area how many of the AP we want to place. Okay, even though it takes time to manually to produce the BOM as well, you need to write down the model, you need to typing in your this Microsoft Word in Excel as well. And even though you need to purchase some third-party software to come up with the floor plan, with the heat map, camera view as well as to the customer. But for Ruijie solutions right now, we are giving you the free and the powerful tools built in the AI technology, wall recognitions, and even the auto AP placements, and to going to help you to shorten your time to build up this BOM to the customer. This is the most important thing, free for everyone. So for the next topic, I will going to talk a little bit about the SON. I think a lot of partners are very familiar with our this SON features. So the SON stands for Self-Organization Network. So we call SON help. So it's one of the going to help you to do some network startup easily. Okay, and normally we going to quick to set up all these network, no matter it's 3 devices, 50 devices, 1,000, 10,000 devices. We also can be completely within the 3 minutes only. So what is the concept about the 3 minutes? How we can be set up easily, right? Let's to take a look with our this self-organization SON. Okay, how we are going to help you within this SON solutions. Okay, please take a look. The SON concept, right, like just now what you have created the proposal to a customer, the customer suddenly say, wow, yesterday you're just coming in, you can be send this quotation to me within this morning already, so fast you can be done. Okay, so the customer is very happy, they are going to purchase, send you the PO to buy the order from you as well. And the next, we are going to do the installation. How easily we can be do the installation. That's why the SON is very important. So let us to take a look. So how we going to go with this SON. Normally for SON, right, so I have a demo project here. So I'm going to help you to educate you how to complete this SON. So let's say today I'm going to build all the equipments with the SON process. So I just need to go to the demo project here. And with the SON, right, the first thing that they will tell you to power on all the devices. So let's say you have a gateway, you have a router, you have switches, just power on. You have AP, everything you power on only. Link up of all the equipments with the network cable. Okay, make sure everything is turned on. And once you turn on, just click on start button. Okay, the start button is mentioned that the first step you need to connect with one of the AP. The AP itself, they will broadcast one of the Ruijie Wi-Fi name. Okay, they are called alias Ruijie-M by the behind of the format address based on your equipment. So you just need to connect for the Wi-Fi, and what you're able to see here, okay, once you have been connect with the Wi-Fi, they will tell you saying that the password, the first thing first, you need to key in the password. So what is the password you're going to using for this equipment? So you need to put some password with a small capital letter and upper capital letter as well. And this is the password will be automatic to deploy to all the equipments. No matter you have a switches, you have a router, you have AP, right? They will be going to push in one time. If you have a 1000 unit, they will push automatically to 1000 unit. Okay, so basically based on here, right, we no need to do the devices one by one to change their credential password as well. Okay, so this is the first step. Once you push the devices for this password to all the devices, and let us to take a look. The SOM will process within your internal network. They were able to detect the 7 devices. What does it mean? The 17 devices. We can be start this SOM without any of the internet. Okay, even though you're saying that, Aston, my site is not internet ready, can I run the SOM? Yes, for our Ruijie Reyee application SOM, we can be run without internet locally to access to the device, which means your phone is a configurator. Your phone is a piece like laptop configurator to configure all the devices in one time without any of the internet as well. That's why this is something we are doing some special compared with our competitor. Okay, when you're able to see that 17 devices you have been detected in one time, so we just need to start to config. And what is the project? Okay, what is the project for the customer? Just now, you still remember we put Jack company. Okay, and this is the Wi-Fi name as well. Okay, even though it's saying that maybe I don't want to the Wi-Fi name same with the project name, so you can be edit this Wi-Fi name as well. Okay, maybe you can be put BBB. Okay, and whether the password for this Wi-Fi you require or not, so you just put some standard. Okay, for the Wi-Fi key, and the project name you can be edit Z again. This is a simple very simple ways we are going to do for this SOM as well. Even though if you have a router, right, you can be configure the router whether the connection is PPPoE, okay, or DHCP or static IP as well. Or even though they are involved the VLAN, okay, for the PPPoE, you also can be configure the VLAN 500.621 based on the message 500 is this unified as well. So once everything's done, so you just save it. So the SOM already done. Okay, you can see the template for the setup. They're already trying to push to all the AP, switches, router in the same time, and make sure all the equipments ready online. You're able to see that, right? This is the page is showing that the devices they have a 1 router here, online 1. Okay, 7 switches here, online 7. Okay, maybe they are trying that 6. Okay, 6 screen, which means 6 switches online, 1 switcher is not online. But this can be worked with internet or without internet. Also, it's the same step. Okay, for our this SOM. That's why for SOMs, right, this is a very simple connections. So just now the experience for the SOM is just only 9 steps. Okay, compare with our this competitor, right? What you're able to see is SOM willing to help you to shorten your this configuration time. And we are trying to compare with the traditional way, right? Last time you need to bring your laptop to on-site, and even though each of the devices you need to configure separately. Okay, maybe they have 100 devices, you need to configure 100 times. It's taking your time. But for Reyee SOM solution, it's just simple. Using your cell phone, 3 minutes, no matter 10,000 units, 50,000 units, 1 million devices also can using the same way. Okay, this is our SOM. Last but finally, this is the last feature I'm going to share with you. This is we call NAT Traversal. Normally, what is the feature about the NAT Traversal? I don't know whether you're facing this before or not with your customer. And this is one of the CCTV scenario. Okay, suddenly one of the camera they are blank off. Okay, that's blank off. So how we able to access to the camera even though we can be trying to ping for the internally for the camera whether it's alive or not alive. And for the clients, maybe if they are not familiar with those the remote access, maybe sometimes you ask them to prepare any desk, ask them to prepare the what we say team viewer. But some of the team viewer, they are required to commercial to pay about this software, okay, to have a remote access as well. And even though the customer is very hard to arrange the PC, to download the AnyDesk, install anything, give you the key to log in as well. And for the last part, for the difficulty way, right, maybe you're facing this before, and you're required to go on site. Once your remote access also cannot be solve your problem. Okay, that's why for Ruijie we have one of the features we call NAT Traversal. Okay, what is the NAT Traversal features, right? What you're able to see here, this is one of the scenario. Okay, they do have our using our switches, NVR, our this camera and router as well. And for this NAT Traversal features, right, what you're able to see here, the NAT Traversal, they will going the equipment for this Ruijie will be created the temporary tunnel to let you to access from outside to the inside. Okay, what it mean? Even though you from anywhere, you can be have a temporary of the tunnel to log into their this internally to check whether their printer, their door access barrier gate system, okay, even though for camera as well. And what you're able to see here, I'm going to show you some demo. Let us to take a look how we are going to run the NAT Traversal in the mobile phone. Alright, so let's to take a look with this project. Okay, this is one of the project, maybe the is belong to one of the customers, the environment. So you just need to log in, and once you log in, right, just on the bottom part, click on the advanced, okay, and looking for this NAT Traversal icon and click on the icon. So just go to Add Services and select the devices you need to remote access from outside. So this is one of the AI again to identify all the equipments within your this internal network. Let's say we want to access this IPC, right? You just okay and enable it, right? They will create one of the URL link and let you to open it. Once you open, they will align with your this web browser. Okay, so you just need to wait for a while, then you can be see the camera page already. So this is our NAT Traversal in the mobile phone. And for the laptop views, right, laptop views, the configuration is even though more easy. You just need to log into our Ruijie Cloud using a laptop, and this is the sample of the this what we say the customer project. So you just need to click log into the customer project. And where is the NAT Traversal? The NAT Traversal is belong to the device config, okay, and in the general they are called NAT Traversal. Just click on the NAT Traversal and add the tunnel. Okay, so you just specify what is this tunnel. So for one of the IP camera, and what is the IP camera IP address, and click OK. So the template of this camera has been created. So you want to access from the outside, right? Just enable it. So they will provide the one of the URL link for you. Okay, so this is the URL link, so you need to open it. So they will allow you access from the outside with the related internal of the IP camera. Okay, this is our NAT Traversal features. All right, so understand about these features. So if no any of this problem, right, so what you're able to see the NAT Traversal just now, we just follow the 7 step. Okay, they will do let you to access from the outside to the inside. Last but finally, so what I'm going to share you here is more in these solutions. So and we are going to compare with the traditional way, right? So for this NAT Traversal, you need to have this last time you need to access from the outside to the inside. You need to have a port forwarding and DDNS, and only can be accessed from outside to the internal. Okay, but for Ruijie solutions, you just need to using our web browser, or even though for our this app will do. So that's all for my sharing today. I hope you enjoy my this CCTV workshop today. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you again. My name is Aston. Bye.